सुसंगती सदा घडो सुजन वाक्य कानी पडो कलंकमतीचा जडो विषय सर्वथा नावडो कदंद्री कमळी दडो मुरडिता हटाने अडो वियोग घडता रडो मन भव चरित्री जडो सुसंगती सदा घडो सुजन वाक्य कानी पडो कलंकमतीचा जडो विषय सर्वथा नावडो कदंद्री कमळी दडो मुरडिता हटाने अडो वियोग घडता रडो मन भव चरित्री जडो सुसंगती सदा घडो सुजन वाक्य कानी पडो कलंकमतीचा जडो विषय सर्वथा नावडो कदंद्री कमळी दडो मुरडिता हटाने अडो वियोग घडता रडो मन भव चरित्री
Our school, Lion M.P.Bhuta Sion Sarvajanik School, was established in the year 1956. Our school is situated in the Jain Society, Sion West, Mumbai.
I'm very happy to tell you that this school is almost 70 years old and this school belongs to New Sarvajanik Education Society governed by the teachers. So I respect them and they have made me the chairman of this school, keeping good faith in me.
Education enables every child to be the self-reliant and independent and to take care of their needs. The school maintains Indian cultural traditions in a modern environment with excellent faculty for imparting high quality education to the students. Our vision is to educate every child and make them self-reliant, provide opportunities leading to academic success and personal growth. Our motto, Muktipadam Dadati Ya Sahi Vidya Prakirtita, which means the knowledge which gives the stage of liberation is only obtained from educational, that is fourfold aims like Jnana Seva, Udyog and Pragati. We emphasize on the importance of the various scholastic and non-scholastic activities which nurtures the physical, mental and emotional development of the student. Our curriculum is based on various stages of the child development through the medium of activities and workshops. Academic activities, scholarship classes, study camps for standard 10 and also vocational and guidance and counseling sessions from various resource persons are conducted frequently to inspire and motivate the students. We are aiming to adapt the happiness curriculum. It is an education program whose objective is to improve the mental well-being of pupils and it teaches mindfulness, social, emotional learning, critical thinking, problem solving and relationship building. We are trying to become the second home for students so they come to school regularly with a wide smile on their face. We as mentors analyze the future needs of our students and teach them various skills through hands-on activity which would help in shaping their career opportunities. We conduct preparation and selling of products like lip balm, chocolates, perfumes, and soaps.
નમસ્તે, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. લાયન એમપી ભૂતા સાયન્સ સાર્વજનિક ગુજરાતી પ્રાઇમરીની એચએમ હું નીતા જોશી. બાળકોમાં સાંસ્કૃતિક અને ધાર્મિક વારસો જળવાઈ રહે એની માટે અમે વિવિધ તહેવારો બી હર્ષો ઉલ્લાસથી ઉજવીએ છીએ.
I am Shalaka Katak Daunde, HM of M.P.Bhuta Science Sarvajanik School, English Primary. I am here to give you an idea of the various advanced technology which we are using while teaching.
When I became the chairman of this school, before say 7-8 years old, before, if you remember, I put one board in my school everywhere. So without computer knowledge, you are zero. Computer knowledge is a must.
In this tech-savvy world, we try to develop the scientific temper between our students through science lab activities. The teacher teach through the different digital platforms like Google Classroom, where the students are able to access the digital learning aids. To keep a balance between the scholastic and non-scholastic learning, we conduct events like annual day, annual fun fair, sports days and picnics in which students are the leading roles. We are also organize parents Garba competitions. To ensure child safety, our whole school is under CCTV. To communicate instructions in any emergency, our whole school communicates through the PA system, which delivers clear instructions to each and every classroom as well as school premises. To improve the communications between the parents and teachers regarding the child's development, we follow our communication policy as using different platforms like WhatsApp groups, school apps and also PTA meetings. our students grow themselves into unique individuals through the relationship they develop with their teachers, peers, their social political environments, classrooms, home, books, media, and all other human beings. The teacher's contribution to the learning is immense. It is through them that the children relate to the subject matter of their academic curriculum as well as the value system that sustains their journey through life.